Hey guys! We are here on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel for another episode of The Sam Show. I can't wait to show you how to not only sublimate on ribbon with Auntie Tay files, but also a bunch of different things that you can use that ribbon to make, accessorize, and do all the things with it. So let's get started. Hey everyone! It's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. There are a couple different ways you can access these files on the Auntie Tay membership. You can either find them under the Sublimation tab, or you can go to characters and go to each specific character that you were looking for. And these cover a wide variety of sizes of ribbon too. And as long as the ribbon you have is 100% polyester and preferably white, you can do all of this. So just check out the label to double check. For this first part, I wanted to show you how I link up the files so I'm making a longer piece of ribbon. And I find it easier to tape the sublimation paper together and line it up that way. And then this is the most important part to sublimating on ribbon is your heat tape. You are going to want to put a lot of tape on. I like doing it across, but you're going to want to make sure you move one way to the other end. If you have any bumps, it is going to want to bubble and you're going to get ghosting or just not a super vibrant print. So see how I did one halfway down there, and then you can see the bubbles starting. Just start at one end and work all the way to the other, and make sure it's completely lined up. If your files are kind of close to the size of the ribbon, always go bigger. That way you don't have a white streak at the end. But just make sure you use lots of tape. I set my heat press to anywhere from 385 degrees to 400 degrees, and then I heat each section for about 50 seconds. You can do up to a minute, but what I do is I do a small section and then I move it over, and this is why the tape is also so important, because I only have a 15 by 15 heat press, and when you're trying to do longer strands of ribbon, you're going to have to move it to press the other half, or however much you have in length. And then I find the easiest way is opening up a small area and carefully taking your scissors and cutting the tape or paper. You want to be careful not to cut the ribbon here, because that would be super bummer. But once you get a small section going, normally you can get your scissors in, and the scissors kind of just glide across the tape and cut it pretty easily. And once you have it all cut out, then you can see our pretty ribbon we have. Now, this is obviously only one-sided, so if you wanted to double-side it up, I will show you how to do that next. So to get the double-sided look, all I do is I cut 2 sheets and then place one on the front and one on the back and sandwich the ribbon in between. It's just so much easier to have it all taped up from the beginning than to do one, untape it, and then retape it. So that's all you do. Like I said last time, work from one end to another. Make sure that the ribbon is in the middle as best as possible, and tape, tape, tape. And then you're just going to heat it like you normally do. You use parchment paper to protect it, and then you're going to heat one side of the ribbon for 50 seconds at 385 degrees, and then you are going to carefully flip it over and do the other side. And that's how you'll create double-sided ribbon, so it's really nice that you can have it completely colored on both sides. Then, if you wanted to do a section of ribbon from one of the sheets, you can just lay them flat next to each other and tape them that way. That's really great if you just want some smaller pieces of ribbon, but you really like the diversity of the colors that come from the character sublimation files for these ribbon. And nothing changes here either. You just want to make sure it's pretty centered in your heat press. I found I just have better luck if it's not close to the edge to have it in the center of my heat press and heat it like you have been doing in the past. I like doing the bundles for tassel keychains or just tassels in general for different accessories, and it's pretty easy to pop those ones off. They're not taped super tight. So once you have all of them, now's the fun part. I'm going to show you guys 10 different ways I use ribbon in different crafts. Number 1 is for office supplies / journaling. Number 2 is ribbon on a present. Number 3 is actually decorating a hat brim. So cute. Number 4 is a lanyard. I love it. So handy. Number 5 is a key fob. Seriously, there's so many awesome files. 6 is for party decor, cake toppers. 7 is bookmarks. You know I had to add a little bling. So simple, so cute. 8 is for hair bows. If you got littles, this is so cute. 9 is the tassel keychains that I love to make. And 10 is decorating, home decor, jars, just add a little bit of accessories. I hope you guys had so much fun today. I know I did. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with all of these amazing sublimation ribbon files from the Auntie website. See you guys next time.